Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over how to use equations with the classes. And so in addition to the single properties that we extracted earlier, we are going to also extract the coefficient properties such as vapor pressure. And so to do this, we're going to need to create another abbreviation list. This being the coefficients, so vapor pressure, liquid heat capacity, liquid density, things like those that have coefficient values. And then just as we did before, we're going to need a regular expression. So just like we did before, we can upload that same data and look through the list, find the values that we want to extract, and then write the appropriate script to pull that data. And then a new dictionary will be created from this code with the associated abbreviations. And then for these values, they have a min-max value as well as the coefficients, so they have more values associated with them than the single properties that we were pulling earlier. And next we will need to add more to our class definition for these properties. Okay, we'll be adding to the class here. That's actually out of alignment. There we go. Okay. And so the code that we have here defining the coefficients as part of the class, it will turn the strings that we're pulling from the file into numbers that we can work with. And instead of using the dot maps like we were earlier, we went ahead and removed the dot maps and didn't import it. Because for the coefficients, we will be using the, pardon my pronunciation of this, dequis. I'm not sure if that's how you actually pronounce that. But we use that function, or that tool, when analyzing this data. And we will also be utilizing NumPy and JAX, which are other good tools to use. And as part of the class definition, we will be using the ASCII, let me find it here. Using ASCII code. And so ASCII code is a way to transition between binary to an alphabetical language, which we are using. Here it is, ASCII right here. So we have it going off of our string, and so we have it transition from transition into like an alphabetical list that we can use, and we can pull the data from that. And then the NumPy and JAX will be used to put the values into arrays for us here. And Lastly, we will look at the equation 101. If you look at the ChemCAD list of equations, equation number 101 is the equation that we're going to be using. And so you can search it up on Google, ChemCAD equation 101, and we essentially rewrote that into ChemCAD here using the class definitions, and then it can run. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching.